Hi guys, so thank you to everyone who tuned in last week for my kind of introduction video. I've been working really hard in the kitchen, putting kind of new videos together. I've got 1,000 ideas of things that I can talk to you guys about in terms of business, etc. And I've realised I need to stop saying etc. because I say that a lot, so I will really try not to say it. It's very hard. Few things I'm going to cover today is there's a supplier that I'm just going to rant about because they really helped me out, and just a quick little update of what I'm doing this week and a big delivery that I have which I'm a little bit nervous about. And yeah, so just a small quick catch up, and then I've got some exciting things to come in the next few weeks. So over the last few years I've delivered a lot of wedding cakes, and the more you do it the less nervous you get. You kind of have a routine and it becomes quite a normal thing, and it's not as terrifying as it used to seem. This wedding cake is very delicate. There's tons of sugar flour work. It's taken me a long time and they're so fragile, and I've got to take this to the venue. So for once I'm freaking out a bit. I'll show you the cake. So this is it. Obviously you can see I've got everything on the table because I'm packing up and making sure that I've got spare flowers and all my bits and bobs to make any repairs. Wish me luck. Also really excited to rant about this incredible artisan silk ribbon maker, or ribbon dyer if that's what you want to call it, who I found on Etsy. So I needed a sage green silk ribbon to tie around this wedding cake that I'm delivering on the weekend. Had a look on Etsy, a few suppliers, and I found this one lady, and her company's called Dying to Meet You. So I'll show you here. This is it. I'll put a tag below in the comments for her Etsy shop. And all the ribbons are hand dyed with plant dye, so completely natural, and it gives this really beautiful tone. So I don't know if you can see that here. Here we go. Yeah, they're just absolutely stunning. It's such a beautiful quality. So she was incredibly kind to me because I ordered the wrong amount. I just ordered one length and it didn't fit around the whole of the cake. So I just ordered another one, didn't say anything because it was totally my fault. And she sent me two more, because obviously being naturally dyed, sometimes the tone can be a little bit different between the pieces, so she wanted to make sure that they were exactly the same, or as close a match as possible, and that they obviously looked really wonderful on the cake. So incredible service, and I just have to rant about her because I just love it. I love the product, so I thought, well, I'll tell everyone how fantastic it is, and I hope you all head over to her shop and, you know, show some support. This weekend I have a very busy week. I've got 2 wedding cakes. They're both 4-tier cakes. I'm going to put up a video later this week comparing fondants, or sugar paste as you may call it. I'm using 2 different brands, a very high-end premium brand, and then another brand which is cheaper, but they're trying to kind of encourage the idea that it is a more premium product but at a lower price point. So yeah, watch out for that, because I think I learned a lot just doing this experiment, and it's really been some food for thought and something that I've got to take into consideration now what I'm going to use long term. So see you later.